So hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add IEEE reference in Word. To add IEEE reference in Word, you need to change the citation style and then manage your sources accordingly. So this ensures your citation appears as number in brackets. For example, 1 and your bibliography is formatted correctly. So before you enter your sources, you must tell Word to use the IEEE format. So for this you need to go to the reference on the top menu bar, and then in the citation and bibliography group you need to click on this style and select the IEE. Now you can add sources as you write or all at once using the source manager. So for this you need to click the manage sources in the reference tab, and then now click on the new to add a source. And now you need to choose the type of sources. For the IEE, you need to select the journal article. And in the language, you need to select the language either United Kingdom or United States. I'll be opting United States. And now fill in the details. And now type the author name, for example, C.T. Morris. And now type the title, for example, Advanced Machine Learning in Modern Robotics World. And now type the journal name, for example, Robotics IEEE Transaction. And now put the year 2026, pages reference, for example, 120, 130, and the volume is the 10th volume, and number of issues, for example, 3. And if you want to add some more detail, you need to click on this that show all bibliography fields, and you can put the further information in the empty fields. And now click OK. The source will now be in your current list, and here you can see that. So once your style is set to the IE and your sources are added, then place your cursor where you want the citation to appear in your text, for example here, and then click on the insert citation. Click on that and select the source from the list, and here it is. Now you will see that Word will automatically insert the bracketed number 1 according to the IEE style. So when you are finished with your document, you can generate the full reference list at the end. So for this you need to move your cursor to the end of your document where you want the list to be appear. Then click to the bibliography and click on the reference, and then click on the bibliography tab and select the reference, and here is the references. So Word will automatically create a numbered list formatted precisely to IEEE standards. So this way you can easily add IEEE references in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.